Hey everybody, in this video, got a Schlage. It's a KiK cylinder. It's from a commercial door. Just got it in this housing to be able to hang on to it. And this lock was in a door of a room with like a fire panel and stuff in it at a shopping center that has all Sergeant. So when people got there to do a fire inspection, expecting it to be Sergeant, of course the key wouldn't even go in. So went out there with an under the door tool to open it. Yeah, this must be master pinned or something. That's downright ridiculous. I was using an under the door tool to actually open the door, and then I used a bump key to get this out of the door. So what I plan to do now is to pick it, just for fun for the channel or whatever, and then I'll decode it and get the bitting for the key just in case there's any more doors out at shopping centers. I'm there all the time, and if there's any other doors, it'd be nice just to be able to cut a key and get them out and swap them to the Sergeant cylinders real easy. So I already took the D10 stuff out right here before I started, so I didn't have to worry about locking it back because I don't have a key for it. So I'm wondering if it's master pinned or something. So we got 5 pins. Keep track of them here. Yeah, if it is master pin, none came out there. Here's our master pin follower. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. I might be able to. No master pins. If there was, it would fall out and be able to get them out. So I guess it just bits the shit at me. I don't know. Sometimes things go easy. So anyway, I guess no reason to do it on video. But I'm just gonna measure these and cut a key. And I guess that's gonna do it for this video. I guess that video probably sucked, but subscribe anyway. Why not? There might be better stuff in the future. You never know. So that'll do it for now. We'll talk to everybody later.